Darul Harb is referred to as kullu buq'atin. It is every part of the earth where ahkamul kufri is fiha zahirun, zahiratun, where the rulings of the non-Muslims is apparent.
It's not a state of war, Darul Harb.
No, it is not necessarily.
But what does Harb mean?
It's used as Darul Harb because the Muslims, if they don't have a covenant with you and you're not paying money, so there's no ahd written for you, and there's also not you're not paying the money that you need to be paying. There's no contract and there's no money being paid. Then the only third option is Darul Harb. Whether there's an actual harb going on or not, بغض النظر. If it's not a contract between the two lands, or there isn't one in the non-Muslim land is not paying a fee and is not paying the money, then it's considered to be Darul Harb. Okay, a lot of people think Darul Harb only means when there is an ongoing fight between those two lands. No, not necessarily. It doesn't mean that.